Hello, Zach Brander here. I wanted to go over what we call in the SCA the hanging sword guard, which will then lead into the next video on how to do mulenees from that hanging position. The hanging guard means that the sword point is down and the hand is up over the head. So a lot of times that guard is going to be in this area. So as you can see, it's kind of down my center line. It's not over here. Arms very vulnerable. It's not over here. Head becomes a target. Here you're kind of able to sweep around and the legs block because the shield is lower, and that sweep can even go all the way around to the back of the head and the back area in here to allow wraps to be blocked. But this would be in old school conversation. This guard was what we called iron chicken. This is before I even started back in late 84. A lot of guys fought this style. And the cuts from here would be, here, 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 block, right? So, in fact, in some ways, this hanging guard, point down hanging guard, is a saber guard where saber fights, more in here, right? Anyway, so when we're going to use a hanging guard to make a block, it happens naturally a couple different ways as well. The biggest one is throw a return, and then the block comes to here, and then eventually it would be that mulenee cut. If I'm in this guard and I want to go to a mulenee, I drop it over, make this block to my head. So here comes a leading head cut, bang, mulenee, right? If I'm in sword shoulder, right, it's quite a bit harder. I have to rotate it to here and then make that block. Or cut again, bang, cut, bang, cut, here, 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 here. See how that shield rises on the cut? Okay. So from the hanging guard, the simple hanging guard, where we're in a position of iron chicken guard, the mulenee has got to look like this. What happens is, and again, we're using our hips. The hips start it as the hand pulls that sword down. And as it pulls it down, it lifts up that point and then makes the cut. It's very much and see how I come back to that guard from that cut? Block. Block. Mulenee.